Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to create and manage a folder in Samsung Notes. Open Samsung Notes. So I'm going to scroll up to go to my apps, scroll over, and go to Samsung Notes. Now, there's two different ways that you can do this. For the first one, you're going to click on the three lines in the top left. Now go to Folders, click on the three dots in the top right, and then select Create Folder. Now you can backspace the name and type the name of the folder. Select the folder color. You can choose light gray, red, orange, peach, lime green, dark green, aqua, pink, dark purple, light purple, blue, or brown. And then click Add. Now for the second way, you're going to click on the three lines in the top left, select Manage Folders, and select Create Folder. Backspace the name, type the name of the folder, select the folder color. I'm going to go with dark green, and click Add. Now to add a note to the folder, you're simply going to click on the back arrow, select the folder that you want to add a note to, and then click on the Add Note icon in the bottom right-hand corner. Type your note, and then go back. So as you can see, the note is now saved in Test 1. You can also create a subfolder within the folder. To do that, you're going to click on the three lines in the top left, and then go to Manage Folders. Select the folder that you want to add a subfolder to, and select Create Subfolder. Erase what it says and type in the name of the subfolder. Now select the color of the subfolder. I'm going to go with red, and click Add. To add a note to the subfolder, go back, click on the three lines in the top left, go to Folders, go to Test 1, or whatever name you called your folder, select the subfolder, and then click on the Add Note icon in the bottom right. Now go back. To delete the subfolder, click on the three lines in the top left, go to Manage Folders, select the subfolder you want to delete, and then click Delete. Move one folder to the trash. Click Move to Trash. To delete a folder, you're going to do the same thing. Click on the folder, and then click Delete, and then move to Trash. So that is how you add and manage a folder in Samsung Notes. Be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any future videos. And I will see you in my next video.